It's been a while, but greetings everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today, I feel like this is a really good way to return to my YouTube channel because I want to share the process of how I'm going to create a crystal charging station. And it's really simple, a few things, and you'll be able to do this too if you want to. So, a little bit of a tutorial. What better way to return to my YouTube channel than this? Now, I have posted some shorts here and there, so I haven't completely disappeared from YouTube. But obviously, if you follow me on social media, my Instagram business page, my TikTok business page, my Facebook business page, then you know that those are the places that I post most consistently, especially on my Instagram business page. So, yeah, that's just what life is right now. And so, I am excited to be back in this space, creating content for my YouTube channel. And I'm really excited for this video. I couldn't decide on the type of moss, so I actually have two different bags. I have a regular preserved moss and I have a reindeer moss because I don't know, I just like the way that both of them look. So I felt like we could combine them together. And that's what we're going to do. Now, I got these bags from Michael's because I wanted something I could pick up on hand. But I believe you can order it online directly from this website. Um, what is this website again? Supermoss.com. So you can actually order it directly from them if you don't have a Michael's nearby you. And I have this container right here, which I got from Target. It actually came in a pack of two. I bought these a while ago with the intention to put my crystals in them. And so I'm borrowing one for this video today to make my crystal charging station. I'm going to be using rosemary incense to charge all of the crystals. This is one of the incense that I offer through my shop. It is on my website under the incense category. I have one of my incense burners here. This is the Tree of Life incense burner, which is also one of the things that I sell as well. I believe these are sold out right now though. Last I checked, there was like one left, and I'm pretty sure someone has bought it because my business has been pretty busy lately, and I'm very grateful for that because if you know, you know. I have two selenite wands that I borrowed, quote, quote, borrowed from my business, from my inventory. These are going to be mine now. I'm going to subtract them from my inventory, and I'm going to cleanse those as well. I know people say that you don't have to cleanse selenite because it is a crystal that cleanses and charges other crystals, but me personally, I feel like if that crystal is going to do all of that for other crystals, then it definitely needs to be cleansed. And that's just the rule that I'm going to stand by. And that's just that's what works for me. So that's what we're going to do. So now that we've gotten that intro out of the way, letting you know what this video is about, I'm going to change the view of the camera just so we can get all up into what is going on this area or in this area. And we're going to, create some magic today. This is my setup, but before I do anything with the moss, I'm going to cleanse the container and the Satin Spar Selenite wands using the rosemary incense because this is one of my favorite incense for cleansing. I prefer to put my items on top of the incense burner so that the smoke will go up and kind of hug it. I feel like that's long enough. I'm also gonna do the outside of it. The air is on, so it's really trying to steal my smoke. Okay, we have charged. We have cleansed everything that needs to be cleansed for this. I'm gonna put the burner to the side. A little bit of selenite dust right there, but it's fine. Okay, I'm just gonna cut it from the top because I don't want to fight like that. Ooh, I like the way this one feels. Okay, I think I like it like that. So that's why I wanted to do 2 of the Satin Spar Selenite ones, so I could do one on each side and be able to put the crystals through the middle. Well, don't roll away now. Now I just need to grab some of my crystals to put them in there. I pulled 6 of my personal crystals from random places in my office because I do have them placed in different spots. So we have black tourmaline, white crazy lace agate, mahogany obsidian, rose quartz, kronite, and orange calcite. I don't know why I let that roll off of there like that. So that is what it would look like. And for me, with this being a charging station, I would leave these in here overnight or for at least 24 hours. So now that they're in there, put the lid on them. And I'll probably put these on my desk because I have some of my personal crystals on my desk that I keep separate from my inventory because I don't like to mesh the energies of my crystals with my inventory crystals because these crystals have already been charged or cleansed. I don't know, it's something about this video being about charging crystals that makes me want to keep saying charge instead of cleanse. But these are already cleansed crystals because these are my crystals, and I like to keep them separate because my inventory crystals are not cleansed until I pack them in the cleansing herbs. This is truly bringing me so much joy, and I don't know why it took me so long to do it, but all that matters is that I finally did it, and I'm excited to continue using this. Now, if you're wondering why moss is able to charge and recharge crystals, you have to think about the energy that plants are, that plant magic, that herbal magic. It comes from the earth the same way as the crystals come from the earth, and they are also an energy source. And just combining the two together, they're going to do great things. It's a safe way to take care of your crystals, to recharge them, to show them some love and care. And another way that people will charge their crystals, recharge their crystals using energy earth, plant earth, dirt earth, or dirt earth. What is dirt earth? Another way that people will use the earth's energy, there we go, to recharge their crystals or charge their crystals is they will bury the crystals. Not too deep because obviously you don't want to lose the crystals, but they'll bury them in the dirt for, I would say, at least 24 hours. That's always really like the safe zone of time. 24 hours, plant them up, dig them up, and that will recharge the crystals. You're literally putting them into the earth so that it can connect with the energy of the earth. Now, me personally, I'm not digging in the dirt. So, like I said, this is a safe method and it looks like this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Not only is it going to do something good for my crystals, it's also really pretty to look at. I am loving these little containers. Like I said, I bought these for my crystals in the first place, but to be able to use it for this is a level up. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I am looking forward to getting back into creating content for my YouTube channel because I really do miss it. I really do miss dedicating that time and catering to this space. And I appreciate the people that have been here thus far with me. So yeah, if you haven't already, since starting the beginning of this video, gave me a like, subscribe if you are new here, left me a comment. I would greatly appreciate it if you would do those things, and I greatly appreciate you for watching.